Haha! Bruh. Drop that. What do we got? Whoa! Oh, that is heavy. Bro! Ah. Bro! Whoa! Dear Panda. Long text. If you want to read. I'm gonna walk around with this all the time now. Just flexing on everyone. Okay, I'm sitting on the ground. Oh, whoa! Whoa, it's so heavy. What? Yet. Do I feel this?
Oh, what?
Huh?
Oh yeah.
Wow. I did not expect that. I feel like I need gloves for this. Oh, look at this. Woo! Bruh! That's insane. Oh, it's so heavy. Panda! 10 million. I know what you're thinking. I know what you're thinking. Can you play PUBG with this? Oh, look at that. Like the same size. Oh, shit. So heavy. Bro, I don't want to do this. Play button. iPad. What have I done? Oh, shit. Let's try. Oh, shit. That's so heavy. I need only one kill. Only one kill. Come on. Bro, come on.
Target down.
Okay, I got one. Nice. Double kill! What? Oh. Look at this. Play button, boy.
Cover me. Kill. Reloading.
Okay, I know. I got this now. Okay, no way.
Target down. Dead.
Double kill. Let's get triple. Kill. Triple kill! Oh, you want to try? No.
What?
Blue team is about to win.
Oh, okay. That's so weird.
Blue team.
No! Okay, we won. Thank you guys for this. It's a dream, honestly. Insane. But it's kind of heavy. I want a new one. YouTube, please. Bye bye.